This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Easy-to-make woodcrafts are often underestimated. Many people believe that income from woodworking only comes from large furniture, complex joinery, or expensive tools. In reality, some of the most reliable and consistent earnings come from simple wooden builds that solve everyday problems or add small touches of beauty to a home. These projects don't demand large workshops or years of experience. They demand clarity of purpose, smart design choices, and an understanding of what people truly want to buy. In this video, we will explore how simple woodcrafts can turn into steady income, why ease of production is a strength rather than a weakness, and how you can build a sustainable creative path by focusing on projects that are practical, repeatable, and loved by buyers. The power of easy-to-make woodcrafts lies in accessibility. When a project is simple, it becomes repeatable. When it is repeatable, it becomes scalable. And when it is scalable, it becomes income. Simple builds allow you to focus less on technical struggle and more on refinement, consistency, and presentation. A wooden item that takes 1 hour to make but sells every week is far more valuable than a complex project that takes days and sells once in a while. This is the mindset shift that transforms woodworking from a hobby into a dependable source of income. One of the biggest advantages of simple wood crafts is material efficiency. Small projects often use scrap wood, offcuts, or narrow boards that would otherwise go unused. Phone stands, candle holders, desk organizers, wall hooks, and small shelves can all be produced from minimal material. This lowers costs and increases profit margins. When buyers pay for design and usefulness rather than sheer size, the value equation works strongly in the maker's favor. Design simplicity does not mean visual boredom. In fact, simple forms often highlight the natural beauty of wood more effectively than complex shapes. Clean edges, smooth curves, and visible grain patterns create an honest aesthetic that modern buyers appreciate. Many customers are overwhelmed by mass-produced items and are actively searching for objects that feel calm, grounded, and intentional. Simple wooden crafts fit perfectly into this emotional space. Function is a major driver of sales. Easy-to-make crafts that serve a clear purpose tend to sell faster and more consistently. A wooden key holder that keeps essentials in one place, a compact shoe rack for small spaces, or a minimalist spice shelf for kitchens becomes part of daily life. When an item is used every day, it justifies its cost and creates positive associations with the maker. These associations lead to repeat customers and word-of-mouth promotion. Another key reason simple builds generate steady income is speed. Faster production means faster feedback from the market. You can test a design, list it, and see how buyers respond without investing weeks of labor. If something doesn't sell well, you adjust. If it sells quickly, you double down. This feedback loop is essential for growth and is much easier to maintain with simple projects. Customization adds another layer of profitability. Even the simplest wooden item becomes special when it is personalized. Names, dates, short quotes, or symbolic engravings transform functional objects into meaningful gifts. Buyers are willing to pay more for items that feel personal, and customization allows you to keep the same basic design while increasing value. This balance between simplicity and uniqueness is one of the most powerful income strategies in woodcrafting. Simple woodcrafts also align well with current lifestyle trends. As more people live in smaller homes or apartments, compact and multifunctional items are in demand. Wall-mounted organizers, foldable shelves, and modular storage solutions provide utility without occupying floor space. These projects are often easy to build but highly valued by customers who want practical solutions that don't sacrifice style. Rustic-style crafts are especially forgiving and profitable for beginners and experienced makers alike. A slightly rough texture, visible grain, and natural finishes communicate authenticity. Rustic candle holders, wooden trays, wine racks, and storage boxes sell well because they feel warm and timeless. These designs often allow for minor imperfections, which reduces waste and stress during production while maintaining strong market appeal. On the other end of the spectrum, modern minimalist crafts attract buyers who prefer clean, contemporary interiors. Simple geometric shapes, smooth finishes, and neutral tones perform exceptionally well online. Items like monitor stands, floating shelves, and desk accessories photograph beautifully and fit into many home styles. The simplicity of these builds makes consistency achievable, which is essential for building a recognizable brand. Seasonal crafts are another smart category for steady income. Simple wooden decorations for holidays, celebrations, or special occasions can be produced in batches and sold during predictable times of the year. Because these items are small and affordable, buyers often purchase multiple pieces at once. Seasonal demand adds rhythm to your production schedule and helps maintain cash flow throughout the year. Children's items made from wood also offer steady opportunities. Simple toys, name plaques, small stools, and decorative pieces for children's rooms appeal to parents who value natural materials and durability. These projects are usually straightforward in construction but require attention to safety and finishing. When done well, they build trust and long-term customer loyalty. Pricing simple wood crafts correctly is essential. Low complexity should not mean low value. Buyers pay for craftsmanship, design, and the feeling an object brings into their space. Clear descriptions, high-quality photos, and honest storytelling support fair pricing. When customers understand the care behind a product, they are less focused on comparing prices and more focused on owning something meaningful. Efficiency in production comes from repetition and preparation. Creating jigs, templates, and standardized processes allows you to produce consistent quality without rushing. Over time, this efficiency reduces fatigue and increases output. Simple builds are ideal for this approach because they don't require constant recalculation or redesign. Consistency becomes your competitive advantage. Presentation plays a major role in steady income. Even simple wooden crafts feel premium when presented thoughtfully. Clean packaging, a small thank you note, or a short story about the craft adds perceived value. Buyers enjoy knowing who made the item and why. This connection turns a one-time purchase into a lasting impression. Online marketplaces amplify the reach of simple wood crafts. Lightweight items are easier to ship, reducing logistical challenges and expanding your audience. Clear branding, consistent style, and reliable quality help build trust over time. As your catalog grows, buyers begin to recognize your work and return intentionally rather than browsing randomly. One of the most underrated benefits of easy-to-make crafts is creative sustainability. Easy-to-make wood crafts offer something rare, a balance between creativity, practicality, and financial sustainability. They allow you to start where you are, use what you have, and grow steadily through experience and consistency. Small builds, when designed with care and intention, can support big dreams over time. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer